There are a bunch of treats in there, Max. Max, you should play. No? Freddy's got the treats. Freddy's that good treat. Max, what's going on? Don't you want treats for the treat battle? Freddy does. Got it, Freddy. Ooh. I'm getting Max one. Max, sympathy treats are not, or I guess mercy, I don't know why I say sympathy every time, but mercy treats are not the way to go. You need actual treats. Why don't you go work for it, like Freddy? Freddy's got the treats. We used different treats this time, so it's like I can break it up into more pieces. There were 11 went in, and I think Freddy's gonna eat the whole stick treat. These are Tiki Cat stick treats. Let's see if Freddy goes for it. Maybe Max doesn't like these ones. I got chicken and salmon. Maybe Max doesn't like this one because it's just chicken. I think Max only likes seafood. I'll test this theory out tomorrow to figure out whether they like the salmon ones better. Freddy's killing it in this chicken Tiki Cat stick treats. They're easily taken apart, more easily than some other stick treats. I think the Shiba ones are the ones we were using before. Freddy looks like she's got this thing down. Freddy, it looks like there's just one more treat in there. I think you're gonna eat the whole stick treat. Max, are you still not playing for some reason? Max, what's going on? Do you not want to play? Freddy, did you lose a stick treat? Oh my god, is it empty? No, there's one in there. Freddy, did you lose one over there? Max, there's one in there. I think Max got one. The last treat. And Freddy found the treat that she lost over there. Freddy, don't steal that treat. Max got it. You good? This is empty. I am very sorry. Max, you should have played the whole time. Freddy did. No more treats. It's the end of another treat battle. I love you, Max. I love you, Freddy, who's off doing who knows what. Probably wants to practice.